hear the pain. Baby, it's a shame, he's still playing games. I tried to calm her down, but she just kept on telling me that something's going on. You never ever should've let him get your love. I swear you gave him something that he didn't deserve. You know you should've listened, now you can't explain why you're going through the same old thing. You know you're the only one for me. Why you settle for whatever when we're supposed to be? Tears running down your face, they falling to see. Why you settle for whatever when we're supposed to be? I can see the teardrops falling in the face. Why you settle for whatever when we're supposed to be? He never really loved you. No. I can't take his place out. Why you settle for whatever when we're supposed to be together?
Yeah, baby girl, look at me. I'm so sick and tired of wiping tears from your cheek. You say you wanna be with me, but you're still with him, sorta makes me think, yeah, about the things that you said, all the phone calls and the emails that I read, the lonely nights in your bed. Are you telling me the truth or you messing with my head? So now, you wanna be with me or should I go now? I really wanna roll with you, so how are you gonna handle this? Said he treat you wrong, but you love my kiss. It's time that you tell me what's on your mind. Praying to God that you're not that blind. Real love is so hard to find. Do you wanna shine? It's time.
I can see the teardrops falling in your face now. He never really loved you. I can't take his place out.
I know you wanna be with me. Drop that lane. Yeah. Call me up when you're done too. B5.
When you call, you can ask for the moon. Nothing's too big or too small. I've been there before, soaking behind a closed door, feeling all alone. But don't you worry, the dark is lighter. I just want you to know it's gonna be alright. Everything is getting better. It's all gonna work out in time. It's gonna be alright. We're gonna make it together. Everything will turn out fine. Whenever the tears drop, don't let the hope stop in your life. Things happen for reasons and change with the seasons, so don't cry. When the world's an overload, you're shivering from the cold. Just to be true, you know that time heals all wounds. There's a promise you. It's gonna be alright. Everything is getting better. It's all gonna work out in time. Come on. It's gonna be alright. We're gonna make it together. Everything will turn out fine. The sun will rise as sure as there's a daytime. Don't worry about the thing. In time you're gonna see your life is everything you're making. The hard times never last. Trust in your heart and don't move back. It's gonna be, your dreams are right there. It's gonna be, it'll be alright. It's gonna be alright.